Salam and hello everyone. My name is Kalish Mukasir binti Muhammad Iwan and I am from SK Matamulo. Today I want to talk about why learning English is important. English is a language that helps us connect with people all over the world. First, English is spoken by many people in different countries. When you learn English, you can make friends from around the globe and learn about their cultures. It's exciting to talk to someone from another country. Second, knowing English help you in school. Many books, movies, and games are in English. When you understand it, you can enjoy these things more and learn new things too. Finally, learning English can help you in the future. If you want to travel, study in other countries, or get a good job, knowing English is a big help. So remember, learning English is important. It helps us make friends, do better in school,